Adequate nutrition is essential for good growth and cognitive development throughout the first 1000 days of life, a critical period for brain development in children. Human brain needs all vital nutrients to build and retain its structure. Consequently, healthy eating is crucial for the growth and operation of the brain. It has been determined that some micronutrient is important for the brain, such as lipid, mineral, vitamin, protein, and probiotic. First, we will talk about lipid. There are many kinds of lipid, but here we are concerning the long-chain polyunsaturated fatty acid or PUFA and docosahexaenoic acid or DHA. PUFA has role in production of various neurotransmitters, and DHA is important for visual and prefrontal cortex development. You can get PUFA and DHA from fatty fish such as herring, salmon, mackerel, sardines, nut or beans, plant-based oil, and seeds. And the next is mineral. Mineral that the brain needs are iron, zinc, and iodine. Iron takes role in energy production, oxygen transportation, and DNA synthesis. It's also necessary for hippocampal development, myelination, and production of neurotransmitters. Food rich of iron are eggs, beans, spinach, oats, nuts, seeds, meat, chicken, and organ meat like liver. And there's also mineral like zinc. Zinc is necessary for our neurogenesis process, neural migration, synaptogenesis, and regulation of neurotransmitter release. You can get rich of zinc in oyster, meat, seafood, crab, nuts, sunflower seed. And the last mineral is iodine. Iodine takes part in differentiation of neural tissue in the brain prenatally and determine the number of glial cells for myelin cell production postnatally. Food with rich of iodine are seaweed, broccoli, shellfish like tuna, shrimp, cod, and iodized table salt and dairy products like milk, cheese, yogurt, and eggs. Another nutrient that is needed by the brain is, of course, vitamin. But what kind of vitamin that can boost the brain? It is vitamin B12, vitamin A, and vitamin D. B12 takes role in neural myelination, synaptogenesis, and neurotransmitter synthesis in pre- and postnatal periods. In addition, it promotes development of the hippocampus and is therefore relevant to memory, language, and visual processing. Food contains rich of B12 are protein food like meats, poultry, eggs, seafood, beans, peas, lentils, and seeds, and also soy product, yogurt, and fish. B12 works with folate to promote cell division and cell generation of neurons. Folate can be found in dark green leafy vegetables like spinach, asparagus, sprouts, broccoli, and also in peanuts, sunflower seed, fresh fruit, whole grains, liver, seafood, and eggs. Next vitamin is vitamin A. It plays a critical essential role in visual function, which is related with memory function, synaptic plasticity, learning, and sleep. Vitamin A contained in fruit and vegetables, especially leafy green vegetables like kale, spinach, broccoli, and orange, yellow fruit and vegetables like carrots, sweet potato, pumpkins, tomato, red bell pepper, and mango. The last vitamin for brain booster is vitamin D. Vitamin D play an important role in maintaining brain structure and upregulate the transmitter. Food which rich of vitamin D are oil fish, including salmon, mackerel, and sardines, egg yolks, red meat, liver, and plant meats. Now we jump to protein or amino acid. Amino acid is the precursors of structural proteins required for the growth of body tissues, including the brain tissues. Precursors of neurotransmitters, enzymes, and hormones. Food with high protein are meat, fish, eggs, dairy products, seeds, and nuts. And finally, probiotic. Yes, our brain needs good bacteria in our gut. 2,500 years ago, Hippocrates stated that all disease begins in the gut. And now, we've proved that statement already. The microbiota can communicate with the brain via enteric nervous system, influencing and modulating the nervous system in our brain. Food contents of probiotics are fermented food, such as yogurt, kefir, tempeh, kimchi, kombucha, miso, cheese, apple cider vinegar, and soda. Remember that the power of nourishment goes beyond the plate. You are creating the foundation for a future full of curiosity, creativity, and cognitive strength for your child by including these brain-boosting foods in their diet. Subscribe for more insightful information and education activity for your children. And let's nurture those young minds together. Thank you for watching.